Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking at how you can calculate age based off date of birth. So as you can see here, we've got 3 different dates of birth, and what we have to do first is check that the data type is a date data type. So if we head over to the Home tab, we can then go here and we can see here that we've got all the values as a date data type. So what we can do next is then do equals and then use the date diff function, and then what we'll do is we'll select A2 as our first value, and then we can use the today function to then be able to accurately calculate the age. And then after this we'll do double quotes and then do Y to capture the age in years. And now if we press enter, we'll see here that it's automatically populated all the ages based off the dates of birth within the column. So yeah, this is very useful if you've got a task where you need to find the ages for customers or whatever it might be in particular. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.